Franchising can be a daunting concept, often tied to substantial investments. However, low-cost franchises offer surprising opportunities. Let's explore this intriguing world. Did you know not all franchises require a hefty bankroll? Many low-cost options exist in sectors like cleaning, home services, and mobile food operations, requiring initial investments as low as $10,000. Consider a cleaning service. They often demand minimal upfront costs, but promise of monthly recurring revenue. Or, think about something in the senior space or home services. Such franchises thrive due to lower overheads and flexible working hours. While they may lack the glamour of larger chains, they offer profitability and entrepreneurial freedom. Ultimately, low-cost franchises unlock lucrative pathways without breaking the bank. Dive in and uncover the possibilities.